Hey YouTubers, this is Go for Bob on the Go for Bob channel, and today we are doing a review on the set number 10243. This is the box 10243. This is a modular, it's expert, as it says on the box. Expert build, modular, another modular. This is another great build. This set came out in 2014, has 2,469 pieces and 5 minifigs, and it is another great build. It is fantastic. I'm really enjoying these modulars. This is my second one that I've built. The first one was the detective's office. Did a review on that, and then I thought, oh well, let's pull out the Parisian Restaurant because I've got a space in it for in my city. So this is a really cool build. It really is. It's just awesome. Spare piece. No, it's not a spare piece. It's just a Chad. Anyway, this is a cool set. I mean, just look at it. It's just awesome. I mean, she's falling over. How excited she is. All right. Minifig on her motorbike, scooter. Sprinting there. Bit on the back. That's the scooter there. What can let's have a look inside the box first of all. Alright, let's do that. And you get 3 manuals. Okay, 1, 2, 3. There's 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, you get 3 manuals. There's no real advertising apart from what's on the back there. That's really it. But it's a cool box. I mean, it's a cool box. It's a cool build. It really is. It's let's have a look at the back. We can see that. Push that back. But there's other modulars and some action shots. There's a bed that folds down. Cook with a chicken. Sitting by the fireplace, drinking some drinks. Kitchen down here. It's really cool. I'm just really enjoying it. Look at this. I'm really enjoying building these modulars. They're great. Thinking, how could I even think that they were going to be doll sizes? It's just crazy. I mean, they are doll sizes, but they're just so much fun to build. It really is. Look at the staircase. The staircases and the kitchen in there. You got a back door. You got a rubbish bin. Another one there. You got a cat there. You got some ivy around there. Alright, this is like the artist's studio. Yep. It's falling apart, isn't it? No. Right. That there, yeah, the artist studio opens up. Look how cool that is. Alright, there's the artist studio. Get a closer look in there. We got an easel, we got some paintbrush, we got a fire down there, stove. But no, it's really cool. Door to get in, of course. That's really cool. That's great. That's the top half. Alright, let's pull off the second half. Second story, first story, whatever you want to call it. There's the chair sitting by the fireplace. You got the small little kitchen there. It's like a little apartment. Above the well, what would you say? It's a restaurant. Yeah, so it's a little apartment above the restaurant. So it's like owner's quarters or whatever. But no, that's cool. Let's have a look at this. I mean, just look at that. That's just so awesome. Look inside there. Busy people sitting down. Waiter serving alcohol or whatever beverages. You got the chicken. there's a chicken there, but you got a chef thing. You got plates in the corner. You can see plates in there. A rolling pin, the kitchen. You got a sink. That's really cool. You got a clock in there. See the clock, and then you got the landing up there for a balcony for dining up there. You got chains going around to fence off the outdoor eating area. It's great. It's really, 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 really cool. I'm really impressed with this. Really am. Lamppost, of course. But no, it's just really. What can I say, man? Just love it. Absolutely love it. I have a couple more modulars to build before I have to get some more. But yeah, I'll be doing reviews on those. And that'll be it. So, but no, this is it's the wrong way. That's why. Yeah, don't put the the floors on the wrong way, or else you'll have all sorts of strife. All right, Cheese Albert Restaurant. It's really, really cool. Looking forward to putting that in my city. Right, probably right next to the detective's office. And we will catch you next time. Thank you. Bye.